Behind us here, we have our community garden up on the field research station. This is all part of donated land to the university that students get to utilize through the biology department and the agriculture and natural resources. Behind us here, we have a vineyard that is privately owned, and our students can learn about viticulture, natural resources, water management, and things that go along with the wine industry and business. This all is a part of a hope and a dream that Schreiner University had about 10 years ago of creating an ag and natural resource program. Within the last 2 years, a lot of ground has been made of networking throughout the community and the natural resources industry, along with the agriculture industry. I myself have reached out to numerous community members and have secured us over 300,000 acres of privately owned property for our students to utilize for educational purposes, internships, career path leadways, and experiences that would benefit them in the future as they seek further degrees of either a master's or a PhD in agriculture. Our degree plan will give you the base of agriculture, natural resources, pre-veterinary medicine, and agriculture and sciences in general. So one thing that's new and exciting that's coming up is going to be our mobile lab station. It is essentially a lab on wheels that we can take to different properties and research centers and have full access to laboratory equipment and materials on site at different sites, not just a brick and mortar. Also, that's exciting news is that we are going to move into a 2-track system of an agriculture animal science plan and just a solid natural resource plan. I hope you consider Schreiner University's Agriculture and Natural Resource Program, and I'm looking forward to seeing you here on campus.